Do you want to start a side hustle in 2025 that requires little effort but brings in high rewards? With the rise of automation, AI tools, and digital platforms, making extra money has never been easier. Whether you're looking for a small income boost or a way to replace your full-time job, these side hustles can help you achieve financial freedom with minimal work. One of the best low-effort side hustles is selling digital products. Unlike physical products, digital items require no inventory, no shipping, and once created, they can sell indefinitely. eBooks, templates, printables, online courses, and digital planners are in high demand. Websites like Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachable allow you to upload and sell your creations automatically. AI tools like ChatGPT can help write eBooks, Canva can design templates, and Pictory can generate video courses. Once set up, this side hustle runs on autopilot, generating passive income with little to no ongoing work. Another great option is print on demand. This business allows you to sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and hoodies without managing inventory. Platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printify handle everything from production to shipping. All you need to do is upload unique designs and market your store. Even if you're not a designer, AI tools like Midjourney or Canva can generate artwork in seconds. Once your store gains traction, you can make sales around the clock without lifting a finger. Affiliate marketing is another side hustle with high earning potential and minimal effort. You don't need to create your own products, just promote existing ones and earn commissions for every sale. Amazon Associates ClickBank and ShareASale are popular affiliate programs. AI-powered content tools can generate product reviews, social media posts, and SEO-friendly blogs to drive traffic to your affiliate links. Many people earn thousands of dollars per month just by sharing product recommendations through YouTube, TikTok, or personal blogs. If you prefer a more hands-off approach, renting out digital assets is a great choice. This includes renting websites, domain names, or even AI-generated businesses. You can create a simple website, optimize it for local searches, and lease it to small businesses for a monthly fee. AI tools can automate the content and SEO, making it a true passive income stream. Some people even buy and flip domain names for a quick profit. With minimal maintenance, this side hustle can bring in a steady cash flow. For those who enjoy social media, managing content for businesses is a lucrative and low-effort opportunity. Many brands need consistent social media posts, but don't have time to create content. You can use AI tools like Canva, ChatGPT, and Pictory to generate engaging posts, captions, and videos in minutes. Businesses are willing to pay for done-for-you content, making this an easy way to earn money while working just a few hours per week. The key to a successful side hustle in 2025 is automation. With the right tools and strategies, you can build multiple income streams with minimal daily effort. Whether it's digital products, print on demand, affiliate marketing, website rentals, or social media management, the opportunities are endless. The best time to start is now. Pick a side hustle, take action, and start building your financial freedom today.